Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working in a brand new Audi A1 2019. It's only a couple of weeks old, but there was a bit of a mishap at the dealership, or the factory shall I say, and it was meant to come with front and rear parking sensors, but it's only come with rear. So customer didn't want aftermarkets, didn't want any extra buttons, wanted the genuine Audi parking sensors. So what we've done is we have installed a new front PDC module, a new buzzer, the front bumper has come off, and the new grills have gone into that hold the outer sensors. We'll take some pictures, so if you do need to see them then you can just shout for them. And also we have stamped out the holes inside the front central grille that allow the sensors to go in. So before you didn't have anything on screen, you used to just go in reverse and that was literally it. But now go into reverse, we can see some parking sensors at the front are picking up, but they're not going to sound because we're in reverse. So what I'll do is I will just reverse up very quickly to something. So there's a car behind me. There you go, and we're starting to get an obstruction here as well. Okay, so when we go into forward, then we will get parking sensor information on the front. We're on a bit of a weird level ground at the moment, but I'm just going to pull up to our front shutter across the way here, and you can see the moving guidelines on the screen here. And as you get closer, the beepers and the sounders all sound off. Okay, so I'll just turn the sound off. You've got these buttons down here. Now, before you ask, this is how Audi want it. They're designing their systems now, so with a lot of emphasis on cameras. So that is why you only get these parking sensors icons on this left-hand side. So there's no way of changing it. As far as we're aware at the moment, when we've installed this, you can only have it over here. You do get some settings in the MMI though. So if you push the three little dots, you can have automatic activation. So when you're driving up to traffic and things like that, you can get the sensors to automatically come online. You can change the sounds. You only get this with genuine kit, not aftermarket. Low level, high level for your rears. And then obviously if you want your fader on your MMI system, so if you're listening to the radio, music, all that sort of stuff. So that's how that works. Now, part of this, you can't see it on the screen, but just below here is where your hazard button is. There is a new button. It's a PDC button. It's a complete panel. You can't just change it out. You have to do it. You have to do a complete swap out. But it's the proper way of doing it. If you're going to do a job, you do it properly. Okay, so that is the Audi A1 front optical parking sensor upgrade. If your Audi A1, the new shape that looks like this, hasn't got a reversing sensors, hasn't got front and rear sensors, or doesn't have a reversing camera, then those three things we can retrofit into this system using all genuine Audi parts, so that it will work as if the car had come from factory with it, which is what it's all about. So if you need any help or advice, then you're more than welcome to get in touch with us. The address is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. If you're really serious about getting it, click the contact button at the top of the website, fill in all the information about your vehicle, send it across to us, and we'll check to see if your car's compatible. We will ask you for some pictures as well, just so that we can be 100% sure of how it all works and what it's going to look like in the compatibility side of things. And as always, thanks for watching.